What's up, raw babes? And today I'm giving you very much raw. And by the thumbnail, you already know this is going to be a raw tutorial. So let's just jump right into it. So today we are teaching you how to do it one-on-one, how to tone a 613 wig for my dark skin girlies. So right now I'm going in with the Got to Be glue. You'll be going in with 3 layers. After every layer of spraying and coating that wig, you have to let it dry. You can go on with the blow dryer if you want your process to be a little bit more quicker. So you will know that it's ready when that lace is hard like a rock, okay? And then you'll get ready to get your hot water and a little bowl of your desired way. And right now I'm going in with purple shampoo. You guys can get it from any type of hair store. The purple shampoo, and I'm also going with honey brown dye, okay? Honey brown. Now I wish I would have went in with a little bit more of the honey brown and let it sit a little longer, okay, y'all? I also had my other wig I was doing. I let mine sit a little longer, but I was just showing you guys the main process of it. Make sure that you are stirring that up real good, just so you can have a good base to get ready for your wig to drop in. Now I'm gonna go in with the wig, and you'll just be bouncing it in there. Then you'll put the full wig in, but at this point I'm just bouncing it in there. And this is a process of toning, okay, you guys? So don't be scared if you see, like, at first, I ain't gonna lie, this is my first time, so I'm like, I ain't gonna lie, I don't know why this wig look a little pink. I'm like, was it some pink on this comb? Did one of the ladies in the shop use this comb with some pink dye? Girl, I was a little scared, but I see the toning peeking through. When you having a 613 blonde wig, we do not want that Barbie blonde, okay? We do not want it to look plastic. We want it to be toned to our dark skin girlies, okay? Dark skins deserve to have a raw ass wig, okay? This wig is from AliExpress. This is a 180 density. They also have a 210 or 220 density. This lace is a 13x4. Y'all, all I can say is the quality of the hair was very good. Also, y'all won't believe how much this hair was. This hair was only $116, y'all. $116, okay? This is 100% Brazilian raw human hair, 28 inch. These are the codes right here. They have a big 90% summer sale on offers. So make sure that you guys click every link in the description box below so you can go get this wig. And for this to be $116, it was really worth it. I mean, what do you think you're gonna get with $116? But it was good. But one thing I can say is the lace space is a little bit small. So the only thing you'll probably be able to do is a part down the middle. That's one thing about it. But you know, I love my 13x6. But yeah, to each his own. And like I said, what do you think that you're getting for $116? It's still reasonable. I give this wig a 7.5 out of 10. The only thing was just the lace space. But like I said, if you just want, if you're used to being like a part down the middle girly, then you know this is tea for you, okay? But side parts, I'm not really sure for you, baby. But with this wig, this is a good process. Off camera, we did her bow cap. So right now I'm going in with a little bit of glue just to lay down that bow cap. We also added some makeup. Going with the darkest shade of powder that you have, and that's what we use for her cap. Also, when you're going in with like little dots of the glue, that helps for the caps to lay down a little bit more better and mold. The main thing with having a ball cap is molding. So that's what we're trying to do, just blend that into her skin. Also, the blow dryer was on hot. Okay, that blow dryer be okay, I think that blow dryer is from Revlon. It's so hot, y'all. So right now I'm just patting some more makeup, trying to make sure everything is good. And y'all already know me. Before we move on to the next step, we're grabbing that 99% alcohol and we're cleaning around the lace. Make sure you going in to clean around the lace. You do not want anything sticky, no extra access. Like, girl, you just want everything to be set up and good, okay? So right now we finna mold and see how this wig goes on her head, and it's going real good. Now, y'all, I should have put makeup on the wig before, but it still gave. Also, make sure that you're mapping out where her hairline is at this point. And right now, that's when I go in with my foundation. You guys can do this process as well. Like I said, it's no right or wrong. It's just I normally put the makeup on the wig first, and then put the wig on the client, okay? But like I said, to each his own. It still melted. It still did its big one. And I'm just looking at the future of this hairstyle. I'm like, I ain't gonna lie, this is giving. And when I posted about, y'all, I need a model for this tone 613, girl, I love my light skin girls, but I wanted to really show something different and appreciate the dark skin girlies. So right now I'm going with the Got to Be Glue spray wax, and I put that on her hair just so we can begin to hot comb and lay that bad boy down. Make sure your hot comb is on 450. And right now that's all I'm doing, is just molding it down to my liking. Remember that she has a very thick under here, okay? She has them braids was thick, them braids was tall, so I was trying my best just to make this wig flat, but my main purpose was making sure that lace was gonna eat down, okay? That was the main worry of my concern. Another thing is, when you are doing the installs, be aware that don't go in with a massive amount of glue. Yes, you guys see a little something right here, but just make sure you continue to flatten it out every layer that you're going with. We went in with at least 2.5 layers. The 2.5 is the half is the one where I didn't go in with too much. I just went in with the main areas that I feel like needed more glue, and that was the sideburns. I feel like everybody's sideburns need a lot of glue, because that's where we sweat at, y'all. We need that extra hold. So right now that's all I'm doing. And if you guys need any type of link for the glue, I'll make sure I put it down below. But right now we're just going to continue to lay down those layers. Another thing I was saying is, I love to bring out the dark skin girlies. My sister is the dark skin. When I first learned how to do makeup, being raised in Miami, I'm not going to put in a Miami thing, but this is what I seen growing up. And even my sister being dark skinned, it always was worries about, oh, I don't know if this gonna look right, I don't know if this color gonna look right, I don't know if this gonna look right because this is my skin tone. Baby, it's not your skin tone, baby. Y'all be killing it. One thing about it, I feel like dark skins need to start popping out and stop worrying about what they think not gonna look good, because they be looking tea. One thing about it's a lot of things that dark skin girlies do that I'm light skinned and I question myself like, dang, you ate that down. I don't feel like I could do that. So I don't want dark skins to feel like they're limited to do things that other skin tones do. I don't want to put it in a skin tone type of, you know, conversation, but all skin tones, y'all can do what y'all want to do. Girl, women are beautiful. We eat down, and no matter what we do, long as you install that baby real good, you're good. Have your mix done and install that baby good. It don't matter what color you use, pink, orange, blue, anything. So right now I'm going on with my Super Hold by Olive Oil, and I'm just going to spray the lace down, but at the same time begin to pull down that cap. Pull down that like wig, just so you can make sure that it's gonna be laid down. And I love how it was just melting when I began to put the spray on. So tell your clients to help you out, baby. You see her, baby, she's busy with me. Hold that cap, hold that lace. She was really helping me out, girl. So right now I'm just gonna begin to cut. Once you finish having that band on for like almost 30 minutes to 15 to 30 minutes. Right now I'm just scratching that lace part. I don't know how people do it when they cut the lace already and then they install the wig. I don't know. I see a lot of people doing that, but I feel like this is the easiest way for beginners. And like I said, the main thing about doing installs like this is, my biggest thing was skin tone. When it comes to making sure that lace is blended, you have to really find your foundation color, okay? Or just be reasonable. You know your skin tone. You know you won't go in with a very light foundation for your lace. It's gonna look real ashy. Going with something that you know will look right. One thing I can say about mimicking and watching a lot of hairstylists is, girl, you can always choose so many hairstylists out here where you want to be inspired by. Look at a picture and just mimic it. Be like, yeah, I feel like she blended out a little bit more. Let me do that. So right now I'm going in with the edge of my makeup brush, and I'm just helping to lay that down. I went in with some more spray just so I can lay that lace down. And now I'm going in with my darkest press powder, and I'm beginning to blend into her wig. And right now, y'all, I'm just pulling it just to see how raw this is gonna be stuck on her head, okay? And this was the season where in Miami we're going through hurricane season. I know a lot of you guys seen it on TikTok where we look like we underwater. Yes. And this was like during and I'm like, girl, oh my god, you still finna come to the shop? But she did come. And at the time where it's just storming outside, I'm just amazed by how beautiful this lace eat down and how she looks so good with this color, y'all. It was eating down. It was eating down. So yeah, I'm gonna do it for the next side. I'm gonna do the same thing, is cut and also going with my spray and just focus on molding, okay? And right after this, that's when you're gonna go in with your headband again. You're gonna go in with your headband. And yeah, and this company also gave us the wig cap, so it just comes with the wig cap. I know other companies come with other, but like I said, honey, this is 116, so you get what you get. You hear me? Yes, ma'am. So right now I'm just cutting the surrounding of her ears. I do not want that wig to be in the way when it comes to her ears. And right now it's okay to see like little flaws like this, like you see where the lace has too much of a sideburn. Baby, cut it off. Cut off everything. And right now I'm just going in with some foundation. Now I will list down below some products I feel like that are very good for matching your lace, especially when it comes to my dark skin girlies. Baby, see right here, she's real expensive. So I went with the MAC Studio Fix NW58, which is one of the darkest shades, and that's what I use for her. And later on I used the Morphe 8D palette, and I went with that darkest shade just to bring a little bit more warmth into her edge line. Now right now I'm just going in with the flatness of that brush, and I'm just pressing that in. Also going back in with the olive oil wig grip spray, and y'all see how it's melting. And I ain't gonna lie, y'all, please excuse the little wig spray dripping on her face or whatever. I peep that when I'm like looking at editing the videos. But right now the main thing I'm just trying to get together is the molding and making sure that that wig is melted into her skin. That's my main concern. So you'll begin to blow dry on high, and then like I said, you'll be getting ready to put back on your band for a few more minutes. She began to blow dry it while we had a little session of just spinning and talking. And now, y'all, this is the finishing look. Just right here, I wanted to add a little bit more pizzazz. One thing I can say, if you're a beginner, I feel like it's way easier if you want to do content to do your wig on a bobble head, okay? Do it on the wig head. I feel like it was very easy for me to pluck and prep the wig and flat iron before I begin the content. So it was very easy to just pop along. And like I said, I did want her to have a side part, so all I did was do her like a more like a pushover, different than like a curved part. You get what I'm trying to say? So if you guys want to get a bigger wig space, you'll be able to do the literally side part where you're doing the curve, the baby hairs, everything like that. But all we can do is really do more of like a pushback in a way. So that's what we're doing right now. I'm going in to cut a little bit of layers in the front of her hair, because I didn't want to give basic a little bit. Now I'm just playing with her hair, y'all know the shape. I would just want to do something, so I'm just trying to cut a little few layers, trying to have a little bang like back in the day. Nothing too crazy, something just soft, but nothing too crazy. So that's what I'm doing right now. You guys would just see me combing, flat ironing, and just cutting, okay? So I was just real curious on how to just amp this up a little bit, and it came out real cute. So like I said, you guys, very easy for you to just do a part down the middle. I feel like that's a safe space for this wig. Do a part down the middle. But like I told you guys, I wanted to go along and do something where I feel like it was gonna match her face, her features, her head. I just wanted to do something different. So that's how cute that it came out. And like I said, all the links will be in the description box below. If you guys want to see the full video and the makeup video part 2, make sure you guys go to the next video. She came out so beautiful. Remember, this wig is from AliExpress. All the summer deals 90% off. This is $116. This is a 180 density wig, and this is a 13x4. They also have 210 density available, so you guys can go check them out. So if you guys want to learn how to kill her makeup as well, make sure you guys go to the next video. Remember, all the links down in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching how to do a very beginner friendly hair tutorial for my dark skinned babies, and she ate down and it blended very good. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Also subscribe and click that notification bell so you can be the first to see whenever Lachey Glams posts. And I love you guys so much. If you guys want to send any collaborations or promos, make sure that you email me. The email will be down in the description box below as well. I love you guys so much, and bye. Thank you for watching. Mwah.